We made it to the second hotel. It's the Sahara. Actually, this is the exact same room that we booked, or Ed booked, last time around. And it's a bit of a weird one, but this one was actually bigger than the room that has two queen beds. These are doubles. So we'll make the sleeping arrangement work or whatever. But I'll give you a tour of this one too. I do have a tour video from back then on YouTube. I will post that on my story as a link, and then I will post this as a video. So let's do this. As we go in, this is the closet space right here, and then this is the toilet room or bathroom. It's pretty spacious, and you're having sliding door, which is pretty hard to do, kind of. And we slide it. So yeah, and then you have this shower setup, which has a viewpoint right here. That's the weird part. I mean, without this, it's fantastic. And then it has a center shower, has the front-facing shower. It's very spacious inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then it has a his and her sink, so two sinks. I'll probably be using this and then let my family, my mom, aunt, and cousin use that. They gave us body wash, soap, massage bar, and stuff like that. Here's the mirror. Has a ring light on it, so it looks pretty amazing if you get close enough. See, there we go. But yeah, this is the bathroom. Very clean. Was clean. On the front door, you have some light switches and stuff. The lighting is pretty natural right now because it's broad daylight. It's around the afternoon, so we put our stuff on everywhere already. So it's not as it's not like the first impression because I've been here before. So this is what you're gonna see. The wall is covered with this cloth right here. It's like artsy and whatnot. Like when you come in and you see the scary girl staring at you all over the wall, except for the front, which have big curtains that leads outside. My view is actually the pool, which is pretty nice. It's not like last time where we were staring at just, parking. So we have two double beds. We have this long couch right here. We have this table. I moved it. It's usually here so you can sit, but I moved it here because my air mattress would be there. You have this big mirror and then the other big mirror. So this table right here, you can put stuff on there. And this chandelier looking light thingy that sticks out the wall, kind of. There's some tape right there. It's gonna bother the freak out on me, but oh well. AC, it was set to like 70 something, and my cousin is from Canada, so she set it down to 68 because it was hot. So let me see. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, there you go. It's broken. TV is broken. It's been on the screen for an hour already. So yeah. So, and then you have this big speaker, I guess alarm clock looking thingy. It is an alarm clock. You have the table here so you can rest your phone and sleep. Again, the creepy dream. This is the weird part right here, but this looks cool. Let's take the inside. So down there, there you go. Down there is the pool. I think it's freshly renovated because that wasn't there last time. I think that was that one's the old one, which nobody goes to, the smallest one of it. And yeah, that's my view actually. In the morning, I guess outside or whatever. And there. have this table where I can probably do some work. That is the curtain that covers the shower. So the fridge it's basically spring loaded, so it's weighted and everything. I think they will charge you if you use that, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, we're not gonna do the ice machine. Is actually right near the elevator, so I got some ice for some drinks. Our telephone, if you need anything, call the front desk. Okay, so originally I got the Mara style queen room. Basically it has 2 queen beds. It's a little bit smaller than this, and this is I guess this is a newer style than the other one. Ideally I would have chosen that one, which would fit my aunt and mom in a bigger bed, and my cousin, but this one had a bigger floor room, which I can put my queen air mattress on there with no problem, which I had an issue at the other place we were staying because it was too small. Well, this one is actually called the Alexandria Iconic Double. These are 2 double beds. It is the Alexandria Tower. Basically all the rooms look like this. They have suites. They have, if you're here by yourself, you probably can save some. It'll probably be around 100, high 100s, mid 200s a night for like a king suite or something. That's up to you. Sometimes you can get discounts. I got a good discount on this one actually for 2 nights. And that's probably why there was a long line of people downstairs checking in. So I did get complimentary valet parking, so I parked the 4Runner in valet. But yeah, that's the tour of the Sahara double room. I mean, if you're looking for something that's cheap and you're gonna stay Sunday to Tuesday, usually those are like the dates that people don't really come by, I guess. I don't know, but it was at a really good discount and I couldn't pass it up, so